respect my personal, okay? You don't go my personal, okay? My way or the highway.
You I do me, okay?
I am not dumb as you, okay? Please you send me question. And see guys, she telling a lie.
Firstly, I speak. Money doesn't grow on tree. Okay, this is right.
Money does.
Yes, you have money. You purchase the life. You purchase the life. You purchase the time.
I have words. Just give me 2 minutes. My purvas have money, so I have money. Why I do job?
विद्या धनम सर्व धनम प्रधानम. विद्या का धन सभी धनों से श्रेष्ठ होता है. And first of all, thank you, Mr. Karan sir, giving me this opportunity. And today I am stand and I am speak in favor of knowledge, and this is my opposite team in supporting in favor of money. And from as far as I know, knowledge means information and skill we learn. And a person with money can be lucky, but a person with knowledge is always successful. Money can buy you a book, but only knowledge can give you ability, give you thinking and to understand and read it. And money buy fake friend, but knowledge earn true respect. And thank you for listening me.
She has spoken very well. If anyone who wants to ask question, who can ask? Who wants to ask question to Neha? No one. No one wanna ask question to
Anybody
Neha?
ask question?
Okay, they have fear. Okay, I think they have fear. They don't want to ask question to Neha. Nandani, I think is this right? No. Okay, you wanna ask question? Okay. I think wanna ask question to Neha.
Question?
Yes, I have question. You
Okay.
said a person have knowledge the success.
Yes.
Suddenly your accident. If you have money, your family member take your money. If you have knowledge, you die. Your money is your knowledge is lost.
Firstly,
what you do knowledge? If your knowledge not work, your family member, each other people, what you take? Why you take knowledge?
Firstly, I am speaking. Money can buy you a book, and knowledge is related to successful. Okay, not accidental case. Okay.
No, you explain. Okay.
Why are you adding your points? Why are you adding your
Speaking
points?
is my right.
Speaking
Speaking is my right.
Speaking is your right, but you have no words and you are adding your point. Okay.
Because this point is right, so I adding. You have an answer, so you give me.
Firstly, I speak. Money doesn't grow on tree. Okay, this is right. Money doesn't grow on tree.
Money can grow on tree.
Where is money grow on tree? I know very well.
You don't know money plant?
There is a
I
lots
have
of
money
tree.
plant.
Okay.
I have money plant.
Money plant is not money. Grow money. Okay.
I have money plant.
Money plant is not grow money. Okay. This is right. You are always repeated this point. Okay.
No, I don't
and
repeat.
you are around the bush.
No.
Okay.
I am not found of around this.
You are not understand me. Okay.
Because are you
You are not getting my point.
meaningless? Your word is very meaningless.
My words is very powerful. Then you are not understand my, because you have no knowledge and you are not.
I have knowledge.
Why are you supporting money? Why are you supporting money?
Because money can buy anything and everything. If you have money, you go anywhere. You can purchase anything.
Firstly, listen. You have money.
Not only purchase money, not knowledge.
Firstly, no.
This is only purchase money, not
No,
knowledge.
no.
What? No.
Without money, I am purchasing this T-shirt, this
Where?
lower. Okay.
Where?
Someone is gifted me.
Someone is gifted me. Okay.
Whose person gifted you?
My sister is
without
gifted
money,
me.
your
Okay.
sister don't
This is
purchase cloth.
very educated and they is gifted me. Okay.
Yes.
They give
They have
knowledge,
money.
shopkeeper
They
give
have
cloth.
money.
Yes.
They are
They are very educated and they teach.
They earn money.
They
They earn money.
have
This is
knowledge.
topic of money. Okay. Without money, this is not purchased. If anybody give you,
Firstly,
if anybody give
you go. Firstly, you ask any other question.
Why other question?
Because your words have no weight. Because your words have no weight.
Why? You didn't understand my question.
I understand your word.
What is power of money?
What is power of knowledge? Okay, you didn't know. Okay,
I know what is power
and money doesn't grow on
I see
tree.
beauty of knowledge. I see very well.
I see beauty of knowledge.
Yes, you see beauty of knowledge.
Yes, everybody is always speaking common sense. Common sense is my foot, okay?
Oh, knowledge is my foot.
Knowledge is your foot. Knowledge is your brain is stand, okay? Then you speak.
Your brain.
I have a common
I
sense
think
that I
you
speak.
should
oh.
respect of knowledge.
Yes.
You should respect money, okay? Without money, you can't stand here.
But knowledge is the right way to earn money, okay?
Yes.
Money?
Without knowledge, you can't earn money. But you
Without
earn
money, you can't study. Without money, you can't
you earn money, but you do hard work in sunny days, in rainy days, in cold days, in
My
every day.
purvas have money, so I have a lot of money. Why
How to listen to?
Why-
Firstly, how to earn money?
Why I need-
Which way you earn money? Which way you earn money?
Because no, my
Yes, you have no
purvas
mind.
have money, so I have money. Why
What
I do
purvas?
job?
What purvas?
Why- You don't know purvas. Your team members said
I
I
think
am
you are not
different
educated.
type.
You are not educated, so that's why you are purvas. Purvas.
I think you don't know what is purvas, okay?
I know very well. Ancestor means purvas. Okay, I know very
you-
well. Educated.
you
I am
know purvas
educated,
have a
so
lot of
that's why.
And
So that's why
you
I
are
educate
arrogant of
you.
money.
No, I am not arrogant of money,
Yes,
okay?
yes, this is reality.
Listen to me firstly.
She looking like a arrogant of knowledge.
Yes,
Because anybody
yes,
has knowledge, he is very arrogant.
Yes, I am very arrogant of knowledge, okay?
Yes.
This is reality.
Are you looking like a very arrogant?
Yes, I am looking like a very arrogant because
Because you don't have-
I have a lots of knowledge and I am arrogant, okay?
I
You-
don't
you
need
don't-
anyone.
I
have
don't need
knowledge,
anyone.
You don't have money. You always speaking.
I have a lots of knowledge and I not need anyone else, okay?
You don't need money. You wear this.
You are always every team member is selling. You wear this sleeper.
Yes,
you
because
wear
of
this
money.
cloth. You
Yes.
wear this rubber. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Because-
This is not matter. This debate, okay?
Because this is the money, okay? You don't have mind, okay?
You don't have mind, okay?
Why?
Why are you shouting?
I am not shouting.
Shouting doesn't
I'm
make
not
your
shouting.
argument right. You are always shouting
I'm
on
not
me.
shouting.
Because you have no words and
have
your
lots of
words have
words.
no weight.
I have a lot of
This
words.
is reality of money.
खाते हैं ऑमलेट बोलते हैं पिज्जा देख लिया लापरवाही का नतीजा
This firstly I am
no, not
I'm not
talk.
eating egg
No, this
and
is a शायरी. This
okay.
is a, listen.
I'm not eating egg, okay? This is
Yes,
not
this-
related this debate, okay?
This is शायरी for you, okay? Not.
I don't accept. She doesn't accept your.
Your salary, okay?
I don't care. I don't care.
Your sari is very useless. And
Useless and
Your
meaningless.
team member is very lazy, thief, arrogant, half mind, all things.
you have any or words? You have any other words?
Kafar, idiot, nonsense, all things.
Only yes. This is only you have only these words. Don't.
I have a lots of words.
Only you have these words. Not
I
educated.
have a lots of words, okay?
Okay.
I
You-
don't want to talk to you.
You have only purvas. Do you have not words?
I have words.
Why you have words? Why you don't translate purvas? Why?
Because
You have
myself-
only duffer, bastard, anything else?
because you're looking like us. That I said.
You are looking like of this, okay?
No, I'm not looking
because
like that.
because you
You come in your point, please. You come in your point.
I am giving your answer and you are not understand my answer. This
I
is not my
understand.
problem. Okay,
I understand.
this is not
I
my
understand
problem.
and ask you other question. Any other question?
You ask, I tell. Okay, this is
That's
your
why
turn.
I am saying. I ask you. Okay, I think you don't understand. It is useless to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. I said I ask you, but you don't understand my question.
I understand very well. You are don't
So you
understand me.
silent. You silent.
You ask
Because barking dog seldom bite. Okay, barking dog
Are you
seldom
looking
bite.
like
Okay,
a barking witch? Okay.
I am not speaking this.
It is useless to talk to you. Okay, I'm
Because
so sorry.
you
I am so
you have
sorry.
no words. You
I
are
am
always
so sorry.
speaking this.
have
It is
no other
useless to
question.
talk
You
to
have
us.
no other
It is-
question. You are always
I have a
speaking,
lot of words.
abusing everybody.
When I abuse you? When?
You are abusing. Then
You always-
just like now.
Are you telling a lie? I never abused you.
Barking dog.
You said you have no knowledge and what will you do on money? I purchase cloth and I purchase pencil and copy, everything I purchase.
You are always doing shopping.
Yes, because I have a money. You have no money and you don't purchase anything.
Because you have no knowledge, you have money, so you spend your money.
Yes, I spend my money.
So you spend, what will I do?
Suddenly your accident and you give your knowledge, then you treat.
You said my accident.
Yes.
But I don't ride bike.
You don't go school.
I go school, but I go to school in government school.
You don't
In my
go,
village.
you don't come coaching. You don't go come coaching.
Coaching what?
You don't come coaching.
What is go come coaching?
I said come coaching.
Yes, I come in coaching and I come coaching with my father.
No, you telling a lie, okay?
No, I don't telling a lie. Okay.
Are you telling a lie also, okay?
No, where you see?
I see well, okay?
Yes, you see well. You have other question?
Yes, I have other question.
So you ask.
You said you don't ride a bike.
Yes, I don't. Ride.
You don't go alone anywhere.
No, I don't go to.
You go school.
Yes, I go to school in my village.
Yes, you go in your village.
Not
But you suppose that you slept and you fell down in roof. Your hand.
I don't sleep in roof. Okay.
Walking carefully.
Yes.
By mistake you fell down in roof.
I am very responsible.
Yes. I'm very responsible. Okay. I don't sleep in roof.
I am talking about you, okay?
So I am also talk about me. You ask a question first, please.
Yes, I.
Please.
Money can stolen. You said money can stolen
Yes.
my knowledge.
Hi?
Yes,
No.
you by knowledge. Sorry, by knowledge.
No, this is not my point. I said money can stolen but knowledge is stay forever with you. This is my point. You listen up, okay?
Yes,
You don't have words. So
I have words. Just give me 2 minutes.
No, I don't have time.
What? Are you not Priyanka Chopra? Are you not heroine? Okay.
No, I have.
You are speaking. I have no time.
Please ask.
You said you have money. You don't have knowledge. What you will do you what?
Yes. So you give me my question answer. I said.
You give me my answer, okay? I want your question.
Why are you shouting? I don't.
Because
like
speaking
shouting.
my right,
You
okay?
speak. I listen. You speak.
I said you. I tell you question,
listen.
okay?
So
You give me my
listen.
answer.
So you listen, okay? I said you have a lots of money and you don't have knowledge. But so you what will do you of money?
I don't have knowledge. I will a lots of work, okay?
So you do.
I do shopping. I do buy book, copy, pen, okay? I will purchase everything, okay?
So you purchase. What will I do?
Doing shopping. Yes, this is right. Yes.
If you a lots of money, so you give me 100 rupees, please. I have urgently. Please.
You go with my home, okay?
No, I don't give it because.
I never give you money, okay?
Why are you?
Because you have knowledge, you don't need money, okay?
Yes, I don't need. So why are you?
Now we have Tarawat who will speak in favor of money. Okay. Take it.
पैसा नहीं तो मुश्किल हर रास्ता लगता है कि पैसा नहीं तो मुश्किल हर रास्ता लगता है, पैसा हो तो हर काम आसान लगता है। सच यही है इस दुनिया में कि सच यही है इस दुनिया में पैसे से ही हर इंसान बड़ा लगता है। First of all, good evening everyone. Today I would like to speak in favor of money. Money is necessary for life. We need money for food, clothes, education. Money gives if comfort and better facilities. Without money, life becomes difficult. Money help in emergency. Money make life easy and secure. Without money, even basic need are hard to fulfill. Money may not buy everything, but it makes everything possible. Thank you for listening me. अच्छा सोचा, हाँ पूछा। Everybody any question?
Yes, I wanna ask you question. You said money is everything,
Yes.
but according to me, money is not everything. Knowledge is everything because you have a money, so you purchase the everything. But if you don't, purchase the happiness, you don't purchase the kindness, you can't purchase the honestly. And you can't purchase the life.
I have money, so I purchase.
Yes, you have money, you purchase the life. You purchase the life, you purchase the time.
तो
so you have knowledge, so you
No, I can't purchase the life. I never said I can't purchase the life. But you said I have money, so I purchase everything. So you purchase the life. Please tell me. Please, you take the mic. Other.
I have purchased life because you said you purchase life. Firstly, you purchase life because you went to market and suddenly your accident. You give doctor knowledge, then doctor treat you. No, firstly you give money, then doctor treat you.
You
Then
go
purchase life.
Listen, you go to government hospital. You go to government hospital. Government hospital is free.
But
Everyone.
government hospital only treat 1 day and 2 days, and your accident very heavy. Then government hospital doctors are very careless.
No, government doctor is you go to government hospital, government doctors and nurses care you. Okay.
This is not my point. You said you purchase life, then I answered you. I have purchased life.
No,
because of
you
money.
can't purchase the life. Anyone can't purchase the life. Okay.
This is purchase life. Without money you cannot treat, and you
die,
death,
you die.
okay?
Listen, you die. You purchase the life. Yes. You support that.
You have money.
Suddenly-
You treat your own
listen,
self.
listen,
Okay.
Listen. You support that. You go to market and suddenly your accident and just you die. So you purchase the life. You purchase the life. You don't have a time. You
Then-
go to hospital.
Yes, you have knowledge. Then you purchase life.
No, I can't purchase the life.
Yes, I am not purchase life, but you
But you
but
and your team members
but
also
you-
said I
but
have
you
money, so
also-
I purchase
firstly
everything.
listen me. Firstly listen me. You have a ill, then you purchase medicine, then you fine, okay, but you die, then you not have knowledge, have money, then not matter, okay.
Listen, you have a knowledge, so you make the medicine, okay?
You have a more knowledge. You don't know MBBS degree. This 12 year, okay. 12 year after you have MBBS degree, then you make medicines.
Yes, MBBS degree, but you firstly the educated, okay? Then you
you
are
are
in the
not.
hospital.
You are a student. They are not able to make medicines.
No, how can you say that? I have a knowledge, so I make the medicine.
He's talking about Jadi Booty.
Yes, Jadi Booty, yes. I am talking about Jadi Booty.
But your accident and your hand fracture and your leg fracture, then you eat jadi booty, then
Yes.
you
yes,
will fine.
Yes, I fine.
I think you are a god. Then you are fine.
Yes, Asian time people eat the Jadi Booty.
This is modern era. Okay.
Don't have a
This is
English
not
medicine.
Asian time. This is modern era. Okay.
This is our Asian time. Okay.
What is past. Okay.
Yes.
She don't have words.
I have a lots of word.
She
Okay.
don't have words.
I have a lots of word. I ask you question, but you don't give my answer.
You said you have no money, so people ignore you and abusing you. But I
Yes.
have knowledge. People respect me.
Don't respect you, okay? You have money, all people respect you. You have knowledge. I said my mouth, you see.
You are twisting my word, okay?
I don't twisting my words, okay? My way or the highway.
You do you, I do me, okay?
I am not dumb as you, okay? Please, you said me question and I tell you answer.
I said you said you have no money. People are abusing you and
Yes. Ignore you.
you.
Yes.
But
People
I,
always ignore you. You don't have money.
I have a knowledge. People respect me.
Don't respect you, okay? This is right. You have knowledge. Your father don't respect you. You do business and you do job. Your father, your respect, okay?
My father respect me and my
You
father
you
motivate
have
me,
money.
okay?
Your family member and all people respect you.
I think your father, you have no money. Your father don't respect you and abuse you. You said my father don't abuse me and
It's my personal, okay? You don't go my personal, okay?
you said okay. You go my personal.
I never said, okay?
Oh my God.
Please, you said me next question.
You don't have a question?
I have question.
You please
You
tell
said
me.
why are you supporting money?
Because money is powerful.
No.
Money is the powerful. Money is powerful.
How is money is powerful? How?
Because they have power. I purchase cloth, food, and anything.
I have knowledge. I also purchase this.
You don't have money. You don't purchase. Okay, knowledge is not possible.
I make.
You made, so you firstly you need money. Okay.
I don't need money.
Because I have knowledge.
You make fruit. You make cloth. You make phone. You make sleeper. You do.
I grow plant and I make. Yes.
This is not possible. Okay, you are telling a lie.
This is possible.
See guys, she telling a lie.
I am not telling a lie. Okay.
You grow the phone. You grow the cloth.
Yes, I grow the kapas and I make the cloth.
You don't grow the phone. Okay, you don't grow the copy book.
I make the phone. I make the phone.
You without material. You make phone.
Yes, I make the material.
How?
I have knowledge. I make the material. Yes.
Which type material? Don't cut the crap, okay?
Like him.
Don't cut the crap.
Him glass. You don't know.
This is beauty of knowledge. I see very well, okay?
Yes, you see.
You don't have knowledge. You don't double talk to me, okay?
I have knowledge. Okay.
No, you don't have knowledge.
I think you have a lots of money. You are arrogant. Yes.
No, I am not arrogant, okay? I have a lots of money.
Yes.
I will purchase you.
You don't purchase me. Okay.
I always purchase you, okay? Because money is most
You
powerful.
don't able to purchase me.
How can you say that?
I say my mouth.
It's repeat my words, okay? She don't have what? She stolen my words.
You don't twisting my word. You give me.
I always twisting my word. What will you do? I think you don't have words, okay? You have questions, so you tell.
I have question.
So you ask me. Please fast, I don't have time.
Yes. I know you are businessman. You have
Yes,
a lot
I am big businessman.
not businessman.
Sorry, it slipped my mouth. Okay?
Yes.
Please save me.
Why money is very important in our life?
Because the money, God is money, money is God. Okay.
Oh, God.
We can purchase anything.
You purchase anything?
Yes. I purchase love, emotion, all things.
You purchase the happiness. You purchase.
Yes, I always purchase.
You purchase the life.
Yes. This is model culture. Okay.
How? Okay. How? You purchase the life. My grandfather is die. You purchase the life.
I don't responsible your grandfather because you are knowledgeable. You treat, okay?
So you say that if you say you have a lot of money. I purchase life. So you
Yes,
purchase
only
life.
purchase life only our family member, okay? Not other people responsible.
So you have a lot of money.
Firstly, you don't speak Hindi, okay? This is debate. Speak only English.
I am not speak Hindi. Okay.
You also said to, ye, wo, okay? Firstly, you attention your words.
I am not ye to ye. I am not
You,
see, okay.
firstly, you attention your word, okay? You said, then I speak.
You listen, okay.
I always listen. Please, you speak.
You said money is everything. Money
Yes.
is not everything, okay.
Money is everything.
Pay attention here. अलसस्य कुतो विद्या अविजस्य कुतो धनम अधनस्य कुतो मित्रम अमित्रम कुतो सुखम। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि आप लोगों के पास पैसा बहुत अधिक है लेकिन ज्ञान नहीं है, तो मैं इसकी हिंदी बता देता हूँ आप लोगों को कि आलस करोगे तो विद्या नहीं, और बिना विद्या के धन कहाँ, और बिना धन के मित्र कहाँ, और बिना मित्र के सुख कहाँ। सो दिस इज द ट्रांसलेट ऑफ हिंदी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल thank you for sir who have given me this amazing opportunity to speak here, because today we are again here to conducting debate, and this is very significant and crucial topic of all time, and I'm just talking about money versus knowledge. This is my opponent team, they will be supporting money, and this is my team and we are supporting knowledge. So my point of view, money and knowledge both are very important in everyone's life, but money can be lost, but by knowledge we can earn money again. Even if we have a huge amount of money, without knowledge it is wasted, it is no value. But on the other hand, if we have knowledge and we can make a considering amount of money by applying it in a right way, in a right direction, so we can succeed and we can achievement very easily and we can earn money. So that's why this is my point. Thank you for listening.
Ritesh has spoken very well. If anyone who wants to ask question to Ritesh, who can ask? Anyone? Okay.
You said by knowledge we can earn money. Without
Yes.
money you cannot study. You can't study.
But you know that government also provide many policies and many scholarships also, and
Yes.
government
But
also-
there is no good
uh,
facility. There is no good knowledge.
there is no matter facility, there is knowledge, and
There is no good knowledge. There is no good knowledge.
I also take knowledge with free in a government
This is not
government
topic
school.
of government school, private school. You come in your point.
Yes, I am coming my point, but you said that without knowledge you can't study, so that's why I am speaking here. I tell you, I also study without money, okay, and I have a scholarship also. Government provide.
If there is very good knowledge, why you come in village coaching classes? Yes. Why you need village coaching classes?
Because we and everyone's we are again knowledge.
You
and
said-
boost knowledge. Everyone.
You said government give good knowledge. Why you need coaching?
I learn English speaking. Yes.
Skill. There is
Skill.
no learning skill. There is no education. There is
There
no
is
facility. There is no
education,
teacher.
there-
There is no principal.
There is everyone's available.
But
okay?
there is no knowledge. Teacher are not teaching
Listen to me.
student.
Listen to me. It's my free time, so that's why I am joining this class. okay?
Because government
Yes,
first,
I boost my knowledge.
government school teachers not
Government
don't give,
school teachers the
don't give knowledge, then you are
government
free.
teachers also teach me and educate me, but लेकिन in free times I join this class.
बताओ यार इन द बोर्ड एग्जाम आई गॉट 90
Yes, in board exam I got very yeah.
Nah, because
Very good
of
marks.
because of the village coaching
Listen to
classes.
me.
Okay.
I
Because
I study in only English, not every subject.
oh,
okay?
firstly you come in this coaching, your English is very weak. Okay.
Oh,
you
listen
study
to
here,
me.
your English is increasing day by day.
I
Because
increase my
current
knowledge
teach
in
you.
my schools. Okay, not.
Current teach you, so your
listen
English
to
is
me.
better than.
Listen to me. I increase my.
Because you then you come. Okay. If you have a knowledge, what you do? You don't
If
earn
I-
money.
listen to me firstly. If I have knowledge, I don't need anyone, because I
you
have
don't
not.
need money. You
Listen
don't
to
earn money.
I not said that I don't need anyone, because I am educated, so I do anything of myself.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you don't need money.
No, I don't say that.
want to be rich.
You don't understand
Without-
because you have no knowledge.
I
and you
have knowledge.
No.
I have knowledge.
So why are you?
I have knowledge.
Yes, because
I have
his
common
mind is
sense.
of money.
I have common sense. I have.
Fact 51.
Only you have common sense, but there is no knowledge. Common sense.
Neha, पूछो।
If you don't have money, people ignore you.
Oh.
Oh yes, this is a reality because this is a Kalyug. Anybody
Kalyug?
has money, so people worship.
Firstly, I want to inform you, most of the rich peoples are hire to educated people because they need educate.
But they don't need.
Listen to me.
Yes.
Every rich people want to assistant. So they educate them, they treat them. Okay.
Yes.
So why
you
why
support-
rich people? Firstly, why rich people hire educate people?
Yes.
Because they have money.
They have money.
Yes.
They have money. Lekin, but
What lekin?
but
What
listen to me.
lekin? What lekin?
But
But okay.
rich people need knowledge, so that's they hire.
Because they have money,
educate
so
people.
they hire people. They have money, they hire
Because
people.
rich people have no knowledge.
How can you say that rich people don't have knowledge?
So that why
you
why
don't
they,
know
listen to
money,
me,
they
listen
have
to me.
knowledge, they have money.
Why they hire rich educate people? Why?
Because
Educated
they have
people.
money, so they hire.
But I have knowledge, but I don't need any educated peoples because I have knowledge. But
Because
rich
you
people
don't
have no
money.
knowledge. So
Because you don't have money, so you do yourself.
I have knowledge, so I earn money easily because I boost my knowledge in a right way, so that's why I earn money.
Listen, why you support knowledge? Why you not support money?
Because first puberty of knowledge, second puberty of money.
Firstly, money. Secondary, knowledge.
Oh.
According to me.
According to you only.
No, according to my all team members.
You have money, so you help people. So people respect you. But you don't have money. You don't. So people said they have don't money. So how to help me?
Yes, I understand your point, but by the knowledge we can also help the peoples who need education. Okay?
Yes, but you give poor people knowledge. You give poor people knowledge.
Yes.
But poor people have no copy, no pen. How to give knowledge?
Poor people not go to school.
No, they don't have money. How to?
They go to government school.
But yes, without money, they don't purchase one pen and one copy.
Poor peoples not survive in country. How can you say that they don't have copy?
But very difficult life, poor people.
I think middle class family also difficult life. Okay. But they also survive and everyone survive, which they are alive in earth.
But you have money, you have power.
Yes, I know that you have money, so you have power, but you can do anything. But you have knowledge, so you can and no need anyone.
This is Kali Yuga. Money is God, God is money.
Money is God.
Yes.
Yes. You meet God.
God is money.
Yes, I meet God.
Oh.
I have God. I have money. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
So why the peoples go in temple?
Because they don't have money, so poor people go to temple.
Oh.
Yes.
Only you have God.
Yes, I have God because I have money. They have no money, so go to temple. Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes, I have money, so I don't go to temple.
Yeah. But in this world, everyone go. Why everyone want to educate themselves and our children?
Everyone have because
Because
everyone
education
need
is very
money,
important.
Because everyone need money.
So that's why they are educated.
No, firstly you have money, so you purchase copy pen, so you purchase, so you.
But I saw in this country, most of the rich people's children, they are not. They don't want to. Go to school. Why? Because they have money. They don't want to educate.
Yes,
they don't
they
gain
don't-
knowledge.
They have money, so why are you take knowledge?
But I inform you, most of the IPS, IAS, they become
You have money,
they
so
become
people
in a
worship
poor
you.
family. They become in a poor family, not a rich family. Okay, most of the.
But you become a IAS PCS because you have money.
Because I have knowledge, I have patience, I have patience, so I become a IAS, IPS. Okay.
You have money, so you all people worship you. Yeah, and respect you.
If you are not helping
They
any
don't
other
go to
people,
temple.
they don't respect you. Okay.
I have money, so I respect you. I respect me and I worship me. They don't go to. They don't
You
go to
worship
temple.
yourself?
No, the poor people and other people.
This is not a question.